I'm making a spinning top, as you know. Basically, I'm not sure if that's alright to just leave it there and spin it with that. I think that might be. I'm going to go down a bit more, but I'm going to try and do it more smoother than this. This is really rough now.
Where's that other little guard you got? Go in there.
Does it go there?
I don't know what that's for. I'm just trying to work out. Yeah, it does. It goes in there.
What does that mean? Oh, it goes like that?
Yeah, and there's your little leg.
Oh. Okay.
Or you can move it there.
Oh wow.
By the looks of it. Oh, there you go.
That's good.
So you can use it like that. Or if you're drilling, I suppose, you can put it there like that, so when you're drilling.
So guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I've just done one end at the moment. I've run out of time, but that's what I've done for now. So I'm going to cut this off a little bit so I can make a spinning top out of it. These are practice runs of chamfering, stuff like that. Okay. So I'll cut the piece off and do it this side now. See what happens. That's it guys, I have to leave it there for today. I'll come back another day and finish it up. So okay guys, we're back here and what I'm going to do, what I want to do is put this into a taper. So I'm going to go gradually, little by little, and see if I can make it into like a dark paper. See how that goes. So you see guys, it's coming into paper there. A little bit of a paper there. That's what I'm trying to achieve. How much focus for that. Okay guys, so I've tapered it so much. As you can see, it's rough. I'm hoping to take it off with this tool here. I think I got the right one. I think it's the right way. We'll soon find out. Well guys, I'm afraid I sheared it off. I was put too much pressure on this side. This wasn't strong enough. So, back to the drawing board I suppose. Start it again. I won't learn, I'm still using aluminium. But let's see what happens this time. So guys, I got it on a faster setting, faster speed, and I think that's where my problem was. So guys, this is where I am, but I'm going to make this tapered here, but I'm not going to do it like the other one. I might change a little bit there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around and cut this off here, and maybe even make that longer. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I can put this into the vise. So guys, this is it. I've done it. This is a bit fat there, but you know, I'm going to leave it now. It's my first project in a sense, so that's it. So here it is guys. It's not the best, as you can see, but it is what it is. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so we'll just give it a quick spin. There you go. It's just spinning top. And I left this side thick this time because the last one sheared off. I was a bit afraid to do anything else with it, but it's a learning curve for me, and it's just a simple project. I thought I'd share it with you. So what I'm saying to you is I will be learning about the lathe a bit at a time. Hopefully I'll get through to making a proper steam engine or something like that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and bye.